bucket.
Wait, it's right there.
Oh, there it is.
It's in the bucket. Stop.
Can I get it? Yes. Where?
No, it has a hole in it, right? Oh. Ow!
I keep missing.
Don't throw it. Don't throw it.
I keep missing this bird, man.
It's on the other side now. Put it down. Go. 1, 2, 3.
Okay.
Ow! Oh, where's that?
Oh my god. Now we're gonna have to put the rubber mask now.
It's under the rock. Don't push the rock. Grandma, there's a bird. No, it's alive.
Grandma, I got this. It's stuck.
Get it. Don't move it. Don't move it. You could kill it. Pick up the rock.
You're killing it.
You killed it.
It's alive.
Dude, are you dumb? Did you just kill it?
He killed the bird.
You know that you're gonna go to hell?
I'm gonna pick it up.
Oh my gosh, it's bleeding.
Johnny, you made it bleed.
Johnny's a murderer! Grandma, Johnny killed the bird.
You're going to jail, sir. Put your hands up. Put your hands up. It's okay, Johnny. It's okay.
Wait, where's the bird? You killed it.
John's actually crying.
Johnny, go get it. Where is it?
Put your hands up.
Where is it, Johnny?
Don't arrest my brother.
You guys, it wasn't doing anything to us.
His hair is all crushed.
I know, Johnny. You're gonna go to hell. Stupid.
You're going to jail, mister.